Oh my god. I can't ride through there. No, you will. You'll have to get off the bike. The road's flooded. Oh, bloody right I am, yeah. Do you want to get off for me a minute? Yeah, just go and have a... I don't have to assess it first, and I'll have to go back. Could have gone slower than that. Is it? Let me just go a bit further up there. Has that just gone off? Oh. The Mersey Tunnel. Tell you what, it needs a bit of a clean, doesn't it? Well, folks, well, we're on our way up to the Lake District. And then a second night in Scotland. So, the weather's not looking too bad. The only thing worrying me is they forecast thunderstorms. However, if it's anything like this, we might get away with it. So folks, let's hope we have a good couple of days and a good bit of filming just before our Croatian trip. The bike's all been serviced. Cost me 512 quid. I've had 2 new tyres. I've had 2 brand new Pilot Road 3s put on. Air filter, oil filter. I've had my brake fluid changed. Coolant changed, shaft oil changed, I've had the head off, I've had the valves redone, shims, whatever it's called. So the bike appears to be running lovely and smooth, running like a dream. So all set for Croatia. That's beautiful, that is, isn't it? What a lovely car. This is nice, isn't it? Oh, this is lovely, this, Vic. Yeah. Little farm shop there. What's that? What a lovely road this is. right on the edge of the rain here. I can't believe that. It just suddenly come on, didn't it, really quickly? Absolutely soaked. Joys of British weather, eh? Where are we? Bonus Bay, the lake, Newbury Bridge, Hawkshead. So I know we're in the lakes, but a very wet lake district. Just thought we'd pull up for a couple of minutes and try and stay dry. Once it eases off a bit, we can make it go again. Anyway. Oh no. Ah. Okay. Oh my god. I can't ride through there. No, you'll have to get off the bike. The road's flooded. Oh, bloody right I am, yeah. Do you want to get off for me a minute? Yeah, just go and have I want to assess it first, and I'm going to have to go back. Could have gone slower than that. How's it? Let me just go a bit further up there. I'll have to edit a lot of that out. Yeah. Oh, that was horrible. What's he just said there? Yeah. Nice, isn't it? I think it's on this main road, but no, it's not, but I'm not going to be going around it too quick. I have to go all the way around, you know. turn right here, can't we? The hotel, if my memory serves, is somewhere on this hill. There it is. Yeah. I think it is. Let's go and book in, and then I might have to do a circular, but come back around again. Cheers, pal. Thank you.